Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the Holosun PID. It's the, says right here, the positive identification device. It's a 1000 lumen output light. It's got a rechargeable battery, I didn't realize that. Magnetic charging port. Ambi paddle switch made out of 7075 T6 aluminum. And it's IP68 waterproof. So, oh yeah, it has 22,000 candela. Sounds fancy. Let's open it up. It's going to open up just like any other Holosun product does, I guess. Take the sleeve off of it. That's how my AEMS and 507K, 507C were. So take that off. Spin her around. It's got the warranty paperwork. Got the user's manual. User's manual. I'll say that right in a minute. Looks like it comes with a cleaning cloth. I'm not sure what. Oh yeah, those are probably for the rails, different rail sizes. Let's go ahead and check the light out. It feels really heavy, like it's bulky. From the pictures, it did not look this big. So I'm guessing these are for the different rail sizes. We'll figure out which one is for a Glock, because I'm going to put this, I think, on my Glock 19. Maybe my 21, I'm not sure. We'll figure that out in a little bit. It's got the adjuster that Holosun comes with to adjust your optics, but I guess this is just to put it on, because don't really think you need to adjust a light, because if we need to adjust a light, that's a little more than a light. And it's also got a charging plug. Doesn't have a charging brick though. That's kind of sucky. You got to find your own charging brick or use your one on your computer, Xbox, whatever. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's see if it works. I don't know if it's charged up or not. Got a big battery in it. Oh, it's got a piece of paper over it. It's got a sleeve for some other reason. Dropping it all. Holy shit, that's bright. Yeah, look at that. Damn. Yeah, so I guess you can turn it off. Yeah, that doesn't work. So it's like some of the stream lights where you can spin it so you don't accidentally hit it. Yeah, this thing's built like a tank, it feels like. It's really, really heavy. There's nothing loose, nothing shaking in it. Yeah, so we'll go find a gun to put it on. I'll be back in a few minutes. I'm going to grab my Glock 19, I think, because it's got a Holosun optic. Might as well have a Holosun light. Alright, we're back. We got the Glock 19 Gen 5. It's got a Holosun optic on it and TLR 1HL. We're going to take it off. Alright, the number 1 rail adapter was on it. These here are labeled number 2 and number 3. So she's unloaded. I should have showed you that first. And that looks pretty good on there. I'm kind of impressed with how clean it looks with everything else. Get that turned off. There we go, it's on. To scroll between, I was reading the paperwork while I went and got this. To scroll between the two settings, you just hold this and click that. There's your light setting. There's your high setting, low setting. And it has a memory, so it's either going to be your low setting or your high setting, whichever way you got it set. And from what I see, it does not have strobe. Wish it did, but it doesn't, and we'll have to deal with it. But yeah, we're gonna do the unboxing video, and I'll use it for a little while. We'll see what holster it fits. I got a We the people holster over here. See if it fits in here. It fits, but it's loose. See if I can't tighten that up, make it work. All right. That's good. Yeah, it's pretty good now. Had to crank her down pretty tight, but yeah, she locks her in there pretty good. And turn back on the high setting. There we go. And we'll give it a charge before we use it. Make sure it's all the way up to 100%. There's a charge port on the bottom. Only goes one way. Has to come in from this side. Locks in. If you try to bring it in from this side, it's magnetic and it kind of resists. You can see it not wanting to stick. This side, boom, pops right on. So yeah, we'll charge it up. We'll do an actual review on it to see how it holds up. We'll see how long the battery lasts on it. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you want. And as always, thanks for watching. Stay safe and let's take back our Second Amendment.